Hello YouTube, I just bought an iKfoam 1.5. I'm gonna open this box and see what's inside. It's a cleaning sprayer. I found it very useful in YouTube and Instagram. I would like to try it myself. Its maximum capacity is 750 milliliters and you can pump it 15 times. Let's see what's inside the box. This is what's inside. An iKfoam 1.5. It's very strong plastic. This is the pressure release valve. This is the thumb press trigger, and we have measurement bar from outside so you can see how much liquid you pour inside. It comes with a manual book with multiple languages, and you can use 3 different connectors for 3 types of foam that you like. They have green, orange, and the original is gray. Plug inside the sprayer, and they have also spare foam tip in case you get dirty. You can replace the foam. And let's give it a try with a car wash solution. I already pour 750 milliliters of water inside, and I'm going to use Meguiar's goldclass car wash, 15 milliliters. I pumped it 15 times as the box said, and we'll see the result. Let's give it another try for 15 times pump. It produces a very frothy foam, especially with Meguiar's goldclass. I found it's very foamy and it clings very good on the surface of the vertical part of the car. I will test it with other shampoo, and please check my other videos. See you!